It's the one I wished for.
What was it?
What did you wish for? Man, oh
The
man.
Millennium Falcon, huh?
Is that what you wanted for
Yeah.
Christmas? Yeah.
I guess he got your message then,
Yeah,
huh?
he sure did.
Let's see. It has Darth Vader, Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, TM.
Luke Skywalker TM.
All of them have TM on there.
Yeah, you don't have to read that part.
Okay.
And then
Cool.
Chewbacca.
Chewbacca?
Uh-huh.
And who else?
Chewbacca with the bow and arrow.
Yeah.
And, I don't know which Obi-Wan Kenobi. Yeah,
Obi-Wan Kenobi and who else?
And Princess Leia.
Princess Leia. Man, oh man, oh man. Man, that looks really cool. Can you get it out of that box or you need some help?
I can get it out of this box.
Okay.